Hello everyone, welcome to the Main Markets Breakdown Analysis for Wednesday the 22nd of February 2023. We'll be breaking down the chart and we'll show you the exact zones where price could close above for potential buys or close below for potential sells as well. So looking at the previous daily candle closing strong bullish, breaking above this daily resistance that was formed on Wednesday the 15th of February last week. The analysis that I posted on Wednesday last week, I've predicted for price to form a daily resistance and then retrace, form a new daily support, retest this high and then have this continuation on the left side as we have clean traffic on the left. So the reason for this bullish move that happened this morning, Tuesday morning, is because of the good numbers for the flash manufacturing PMI and flash services PMI being better than expected. So breaking down the chart, so as we've got this bullish candle, we still have some clean traffic on the left, but obviously we have some sort of supports on the high time frame. But we're going to focus here first. On a 4-hour time frame, we have formed 4-hour resistance at 163.540. The most recent 4-hour support was at 161.500. Dropping down to the hourly time frame, we can adjust our resistance to 163.600. The most recent 1-hour support is at 163.290. Dropping down to the 30-minute time frame, we can adjust this to this 30-minute strong support at 163.170. And dropping down to the 15-minute time frame, we can leave the same exact resistance on the 15-minute time frame, but we have this support on the 15-minute time frame. Now, since price have been holding this support, I would much rather feel comfortable having to look for like sells below 163.020, and potential buys would be on the break of the previous daily high, because we need to see, since price moved a lot, probably above 220 pips, you need to allow price for a decent range to consolidate before we have another breakout. Now we don't know whether price is going to do a retest of this previous daily resistance or if it's going to just continue bullish. Now this is going to be our no trade zone, and now we're going to identify the no trade targets for buys and sells. Now going back to the daily, actually to the monthly, just to see what's happening. So we can see monthly broke the high again on the Tuesday daily candle and continued bullish. On the weekly time frame, what we can see is we have this previous weekly support at 164.150, dropping down to the daily time frame, and what we can see is we've got support, the same level of support on the daily as well at 164.120. Now, potentially, this is roughly around 40 pip range, I'd say. So our first target could be this weekly / daily previous support that was formed last year. Our second target for buys, now we're going back on the left, looking on the 4-hour time frame. And I believe the last one we've had was this 4-hour rejection. Actually, no. Let's have a look. This 4-hour previous support that was formed on the 2nd of December 2022. Potentially, this could be our second target for buys at 164.460. Now to look for sells, going back to the daily. We've got clean traffic on the left, but again, we don't know whether price is going to retest this daily resistance again and then continue bullish again, or we don't know whether the price is just going to break above. So going back to the 4-hour time frame, and what we can see, we have clean traffic on the left, hourly clean traffic on the left, but we can adjust this hourly support. Again, still is a big range. Now we can see we've got a 30-minute support, and we also have a 15-minute support. Now, I know this is a small range to look for sells, and I think it's good to look for small ranges just because of it being the daily being bullish, you don't know how much price is going to retrace. So you don't want to go against the trend and take big targets and then end up just getting stopped out and becoming a wick to your losses, basically. So the first target for sells would be 162, 740, excuse me, and that's the 30-minute support. Our second target for sells, since we've got clean traffic on the left, I'm going to look at some previous data on the left. And we have this rejection. And I believe there was a support previous 1 hour resistance that was formed on the 28th of December. As remember, that was one of our targets previously. So the second target for sells would be 162 to 80.